Hey folks, Dave from L.Yanes Outdoor Adventures. Today, in a brand new home, we're going to cook a brand new dish. We're going to cook pork tenderloin with applewood seasoning marinated and bacon. I said bacon! Bacon, bacon, bacon! Grilling and chilling with Dave. Please hit the like button and subscribe. First flip. Looking good. Looking good. Remember, it's not round, so I'll probably be doing it on the sides too. Put a little this on it. Boom, boom, boom. A little bit of this. First one was raw sodium soy sauce. This is my favorite. Now I'm talking about the marinade. Marinade was separate. This is a little something while I'm cooking. Gotta bring that temperature back up to about 375. Remember, gas grills, when you close them, they get hot. When you open them, they get cold. This is a nice little grill, and we're gonna make it happen. There's only myself here, and these people are nice enough to invite me over here. And excuse my speech, I got cancer, and I'm gonna get some treatments here. Lord willing, everything's gonna be boom, boom, boom. Smells so good. Starting to smoke a little bit from those juices. That low sodium soy sauce. Remember, applewood and bacon. Bacon. Marinate it for about an hour. Let it sit out. And room temperature. Then pop it on the grill. Bring the grill up to 400. Let it come back down to about 370. And should take about an hour and 1500, an hour and 20. I'm gonna check it with the thermometer. Not yet. So yeah, what are we gonna have with this? What are you thinking?
I don't know, I was just thinking about that. I think mashed potatoes, maybe some beans, spinach. Spinach should be good. See this thing? That's hot. That thing's pretty hot.
It gets hot when it's halfway open, but when it's closed, it don't.
Oh, look at that, baby. You got a glove or something?
Yeah, it's in there. I get it. Grilling and what? Chilling?
Chilling and grilling with Dave?
No, it's grilling and chilling with Dave.
Chilling and grilling.
No, it's grilling. Can you say that for me? Translate, will you?
Chilling and grilling.
No, grilling and chilling.
Grilling and chilling.
With Dave.
With Dave.
That's my channel.
And Jeff, too.
Jeff,
I'm here now.
Jeff is the man. He's my translator. I thought I was going to say sizzling and fizzling with Dave. Ha! If you're wondering where the gas is at, I don't like them little green, them little bottles. So what I did, I went boom, 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 and then right inside there, a special adapter. Get a whole lot for your money. That's right. Now I turned it 180 degrees. We're gonna make a clock motion. We're gonna get the edges done, but right now I'm not worried about it. See that? And pop it up on the sides. Just to get the edges done, you know? Nice. Look at me.
Need some more milk.
Mashed potatoes, huh? Bam, bam.
Lazy man's mash. It's a lazy man's mash.
Yeah, but explain to the nice people what I'm doing.
Okay, well, when you cook a pork loin, you want to bring it up to heat. What you're going to do is wrap it in aluminum foil with 3 little slabs of butter on top, and then close it all up, seal it up, put it back into the heat, and let it get up to heat. And the juice is good and ready to eat. That's how you do it. Hold it. Now,
10 to 12 minutes.
close it up.
I was gonna say, let it rest for about 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Here we go.